Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss a new Power BI custom visual called Sales Velocity Compass Visual. First, I will explain the visual and then we will see how we can create and add it to a Power BI report page. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So on the screen, you can see the Sales Velocity Compass visual, and this circle actually represent a country. So you can see Australia, US, and Sri Lanka, and line represent our products actually. So if I mouse over it on Australia, so you can see the first is a country and the current sales, the previous sales, current profit, and the products. So product is the Parley, Oreo, Thumbs Up, and Coca-Cola. Similarly, if I mouse over on US, so you can see here the country US, the current sales, previous sales, current profit, and the product. There is a two product here, the Parley and Coca-Cola cells. And this lines, if I mouse over it on the line, so you can see this line. So product name Coca-Cola, the percentage of overall sales, and the sales amount and the profit of that products. Now let me show you the data table. So it's a very small data. So first column is a country, the second column is a product and sales, and the previous year sales and the profit. So now I will show you how to add this visual to Power BI report page. So I'll go to the demo page, and first you have to go to the Power BI visual gallery. So as this is the custom visual, so you have to bring this visual to the from marketplace. So I'll just click here and I'll say get more visual, and in the search text box I'll type sales velocity. So here you can see this visual. Now I'll click to see more detail about this visual. So here you can see the details about this visual. So explanation, everything. And on your left hand side, you can see the other detail, the licensings, version, everything. Okay. And if you want to add, you have to just click on the add button to add this visual. And I have already added actually. So I'm not going to add. So I'll close it from here. So here is the visual actually. You can see here. Now I will add to report page and I will increase the height of this visual so you can see very easily. Now I'll go to the data table, and in the data table, now I'll expand and we'll see the fields option here. So first is a country data. So you required a country data. The second one is a product, that is a product name, and the sales data and the profit data. And this is optional, the previous year sales. If you have, you can add, otherwise you can ignore. So the country data, country. So I will add a country column here in the country data. Now in a product, I will add a product column here. Now in the sales data, I will add a sales. You can also add a major. So I don't have, just now I have a column. So sum of sales and the profit. And here I have profit also. So I'll add the profit, sum of profit. So as you can see, the visual is created actually. So I have a previous year sales also. So I'll add that also, the previous sales. So I have added the previous cells. So as I have already explained this visual, so I'm not going to again, I'm not going to explain you again to waste your time. So we'll see the some formatting options. So now let me click on the formatting options. So here you can see the two options. One is setting and the licensing key. So this setting actually, the legend and all that will not work here until and unless you will enter a some license key. So this visual is the partially free and partially required some upgradation and the license key. So now in the journal part, you can see the standard thing, the properties, titles, effects, data format, header icons and all this text. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.